Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. Today I am here to present you latest news of 23rd July. US-China ties go south as Trump shut down Chinese consulate in Houston. This is from Washington. In an unprecedented escalation of tensions with China, the Trump administration has ordered the closure of the Chinese consulate in Houston within 72 hours, with the consequent threat of retaliation from Beijing. Possibly with the shutdown came hours after President Trump again blamed Beijing for letting loose the coronavirus on the world, calling it the Chinese virus, following which the State Department accused China of a massive illegal spying and influence operation. A fire was reported at the Houston consulate as officials purportedly burned documents and files. While it is not unusual for sparing countries to shut down consulates on a reciprocal basis, US and Russia have done it, as have India and Pakistan. The downslide in US-China ties has been precipitous after President Trump changed his mind about Beijing's bona fides, although he maintained in the initial weeks of the pandemic that China was a good partner that was acting swiftly and cooperating with the US and boasting of his personal ties with its leader, 11 Jinping. Over the past few weeks, Trump and top administration officials have accused Beijing of willfully letting the coronavirus into the world to destroy the US economy and weaken the country in a bid to challenge its primacy, and as part of the strategy of making aggressive military moves in the Indo-Pacific region. The administration is now zeroing in the Chinese scholars and students in the US academia, suggesting that they are part of vast spy network trying to steal US intellectual property. Two Chinese hackers whom officials accuse of trying to steal information about coronavirus vaccine research were indicated on Tuesday by the Justice Department. Washington has also cracked down on the Chinese media operating in the US, asking them to register a diplomatic entity since they are seen as China propagandists, and they threaten to ban TikTok and other Chinese apps. Chinese students, 4 lakh, who from the largest cohort of 1.1 million foreign students in the US, have been made to feel unwelcome, and the administration is also considering a travel ban on members of the Communist Party and their families. That is from today. I'm Vinay Kumar. Come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.